CapCut template not showing on TikTok. Hello guys, welcome to this short tutorial. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem in less than 1 minute. So first thing you want to do is open the settings and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps. On this page you will find every app that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is wait a few seconds. It will start loading as you can see, and then scroll until you find TikTok and click on it. When you click on it, it will take you to the app informations page. Or what you want to do on this page is click on the notifications and make sure to disable the notifications and enable them back again. Go back and click on the permissions and make sure to enable all the permissions. Go back and click on the storage right here and then click on clear cache. Now, last thing you want to do is just go to the Play Store and update your TikTok into the latest version, because sometimes the problem is just from the update. And you can do the same thing on the iPhone from the App Store. Don't forget to like, subscribe.